Hello and welcome back to HealthVibe89. Want to fix your kidneys? Do this every morning. Just 4 simple steps. Imagine waking up full of energy, feeling light and refreshed, and knowing your kidneys are working at their best. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Your kidneys are your body's natural detox system, filtering out waste and balancing fluids and minerals. But when they're overworked or neglected, problems like fatigue, bloating, and even serious kidney disease can start creeping in. The good news? Just a few small changes to your morning routine can make a massive difference. These 4 steps are easy, natural, and backed by research. Keep watching, because I'm about to reveal how a few morning habits can restore, protect, and energize your kidneys, starting today. Ready to take control of your health and feel your best every day? Let's dive into the 4 powerful steps that can transform your kidney health. Let's start the video. Subscribe our channel, like, share, and comments. 1. Drink 2 glasses of water in the morning. Drinking 2 glasses of water. First thing in the morning might seem like a small habit, but it can have a big impact on your kidney health. While you're asleep, your body is still working, repairing cells, filtering waste, and keeping everything in balance. But since you go hours without drinking water, you wake up slightly dehydrated. That's why hydrating right after waking up is one of the best things you can do for your kidneys. Water helps flush out toxins, supports kidney function, and even prevents kidney stones. Think of your kidneys as natural filters. When they don't get enough water, they struggle to remove waste, leading to toxin buildup. This can cause fatigue, bloating, and even more serious kidney problems over time. By drinking 2 glasses of water in the morning, you're helping your kidneys function more efficiently. You're also boosting blood circulation, which improves the delivery of nutrients throughout your body. Staying hydrated also supports healthy blood pressure. Since your kidneys help regulate blood pressure, keeping them well hydrated reduces your risk of hypertension and related issues. Another major benefit? Water helps prevent kidney stones. These form when minerals build up and harden in the kidneys, often due to dehydration. Drinking water keeps urine diluted and reduces the chance of stone formation. What you put into your body first sets the tone for the day. Choosing water over coffee or sugary drinks gives your kidneys what they need to start strong. If plain water feels boring, add a squeeze of lemon. It adds flavor and citric acid, which may help prevent kidney stones and support digestion. This simple habit can protect your kidneys and boost your overall health. So tomorrow morning, choose water. Your kidneys will thank you. 2. Eat low-salt foods that are good for your kidneys. What you eat in the morning plays a huge role in keeping your kidneys healthy. These vital organs work hard to filter out waste and excess fluids from your body. But when your diet is high in salt, it puts extra pressure on them. Too much sodium causes your kidneys to hold on to more water in order to dilute the excess salt in your bloodstream. This raises your blood pressure and can damage your kidneys over time. That's why starting your day with low-salt foods is one of the best things you can do to support kidney function. Instead of processed or salty foods, choose fresh, whole ingredients that nourish your body. Foods like fresh fruits, leafy green vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide essential nutrients without overworking your kidneys. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney health. They also contain fiber, which helps regulate digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes, important because diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. Fresh fruits, especially berries like blueberries and strawberries, are excellent morning options. They're rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from damage. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice provide long-lasting energy without the sodium overload found in processed cereals and baked goods. Lean proteins such as eggs, skinless chicken, or plant-based choices like beans and tofu give your body what it needs without straining the kidneys. If you're used to eating salty breakfasts, adjusting your taste buds might take time. Many common breakfast items like bacon, sausages, canned goods, and even store-bought bread contain hidden sodium. Instead, try flavoring your food with fresh herbs, lemon juice, or garlic. Even small swaps, like using avocado instead of processed spreads or homemade dressings instead of store-bought sauces, can make a big difference. Your kidneys work 24/7 to keep your body balanced. By starting your day with naturally low-sodium, nutrient-rich foods, you're protecting your kidneys, supporting your heart, improving digestion, and maintaining steady energy levels. 3. Do light. Exercise. Starting your day with light exercise can work wonders for your kidneys. Simple movements like walking, yoga, or stretching help improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and support your body's natural detoxification process. Your kidneys rely on a steady flow of blood to filter waste efficiently, and physical activity helps ensure that happens. When you move your body in the morning, you're not just waking up your muscles, you're also increasing oxygen supply to your organs, including your kidneys. This allows them to function more effectively throughout the day. Yoga, in particular, is an excellent way to support kidney health. Certain poses, such as forward bends, gentle twists, and child's pose, stimulate the kidney area, encouraging better blood flow and filtration. For example, a forward bend lightly compresses the abdominal region, which can massage the kidneys and promote detoxification. Twisting movements help squeeze out toxins from the organs, while gentle stretches increase flexibility and enhance circulation. Additionally, yoga is known to reduce stress, which is crucial for kidney health. Chronic stress can lead to elevated blood pressure, putting extra strain on your kidneys over time. A few minutes of mindful movement in the morning helps keep your body balanced, calm, and ready for the day. Even if yoga isn't your thing, simple activities like a short walk or basic stretching can make a big difference. Walking gets your blood flowing, supports heart health, and boosts your metabolism, all of which contribute to healthier kidneys. Stretching helps release physical tension, improves flexibility, and reduces inflammation, an important factor in preventing kidney-related problems. If you lead a sedentary lifestyle or spend long hours sitting, morning movement becomes even more essential. Sitting too long can slow circulation, making it harder for your kidneys to get the blood flow they need. Just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle morning exercise can help counteract these effects and support long-term kidney function. 4. Manage stress. Stress is something we all experience, but chronic stress can have a serious impact on your kidneys. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which trigger the fight-or-flight response. This causes your blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to your kidneys and making it harder for them to filter out waste and toxins effectively. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure, inflammation, and even kidney damage. That's why managing stress is one of the most important things you can do for your kidney health. The best time to do this is in the morning, before the stresses of the day kick in. Taking just a few minutes to calm your mind and body can set the tone for a healthier, more balanced day. One of the simplest ways to reduce stress is through deep breathing. When you wake up, take a moment to close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for about 4 seconds, hold it for another 4, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. This slows down your heart rate, lowers cortisol levels, and helps improve circulation to your kidneys. It's a small habit that can make a big difference over time. Meditation is another powerful tool for managing stress. You don't need to sit in silence for hours. Just 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness can be incredibly helpful. Try sitting in a comfortable position, focusing on your breath, and allowing any stressful thoughts to pass without judgment. If you prefer guidance, there are plenty of apps or online videos with short, calming meditation exercises. Gentle yoga is another fantastic way to relax your body and improve kidney function. Certain yoga poses like child's pose, cat-cow, and seated twists help reduce tension in the lower back and stimulate blood flow to the kidneys. Even simple stretches can release physical stress and improve circulation. If you're someone who wakes up feeling tense or stiff, adding a short yoga session to your morning routine can make a huge difference. And let's not forget about the power of music. Listening to calming music while getting ready in the morning or during a short meditation session can lower stress levels and promote relaxation. Classical music, nature sounds, or soft instrumental tunes can all help create a peaceful environment that benefits both your mind and body. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated. By making a few small changes to your morning routine, drinking enough water, choosing the right foods, moving your body, and keeping stress in check, you can give your kidneys the support they need to work at their best. These steps may seem simple, but over time they can make a huge difference in your overall health, energy levels, and even how you feel throughout the day. Your kidneys work 24/7 to keep your body balanced, so why not give them the care they deserve? If you haven't already, try adding these habits to your mornings and pay attention to how your body responds. You might notice more energy, less bloating, or even better digestion. Every small change adds up, and consistency is key. If you've already tried any of these steps, let me know in the comments what's worked for you and what's been the hardest part. Your experience could help someone else who's just getting started. And now, I believe you're smart enough to take action by clicking on the YouTube shopping cart right below. You'll find carefully selected high-quality products designed specifically to support your health needs, especially if you're concerned about kidney health. These products have been tested and guaranteed for quality and come from trusted sources. I know that many of you are experienced and thoughtful shoppers, and I want to assure you that I've chosen these products with your needs in mind, with reliable warranties and excellent customer care. You can purchase confidently, knowing you're getting the best. Plus, don't miss out. Click on the cart now to take advantage of limited-time offers and secure your order while supplies last. Before you leave, make sure to check out the items that could make a real difference in your health journey. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on similar content in the future. Share your thoughts in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.